Alright, what we're doing, we're actually going to this park and at 3 a.m. And what we're doing is supposed to be haunted or something like that. Westerns has actually died. They have fights over here. That's what I heard, but other than that I don't know much. But there used to be a train going by. The train used to go by here, so oh my god, I love you, baby. Here we go. Alright, this is supposed to be the park that's pretty much haunted or abandoned. It's unmarked, actually, this park. Well, I mean, it's a park, but... Hang on, Michael, put your light over there. I'm looking over here, guys. Here's one of the benches. So, we're just going through here. Michael, turn the flashlight off. Cool. Listen to that.
Just take a moment to listen to it.
Cooler.
You gotta fucking go here.
Hang on, let me turn on the light on my phone. I think I can turn on the light on my phone.
You know something though, right?
Oh crap. We're about to pass the bridge. Bridge here. No, it's okay, Michael. See, we don't want to do too much light because,
So, you gonna talk about the legend?
Yeah, the legend is they used to have over there by those woods, right? You probably can't see it. Michael, put some light over here. My light just fucking flickered, y'all.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
You got mine.
Okay, hang on a second. Turn the light off. Posted. They've pretty much been that area. But down there, down that road, there used to be Western fights.
I got fucking chills now. You feel that?
Yeah.
I got chills. Chills run down my spine.
I heard. Did you hear that? I know there's not a lot much to see here, folks, but let's get going, y'all. Why in the fuck does it keep doing that? My flashlight keeps flickering, and I'm not even... Y'all, my hand is like really cold. Like, it's hurting cold. Okay. Cool. No? Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that. Supposedly.
Let's go to the beginning of the tunnel.
Hell no.
We're just gonna point squat in there.
Hang on a second. Hold this flashlight.
No problem. You can still see Destiny's car though.
Oh. Okay. Apparently, yeah, this right here, over here is where someone died, like literally died. Oh crap.
I can feel some spiritual energy coming from over here.
Hang on. Hang on.
Wait a minute, point it directly down there. Do you see that?
Yes.
Oh my god. No, don't go in there.
Turn the light off, Michael.
What'd you get?
I got enough.
Hey, let's go here. Don't turn the lights off.
Hey guys, well, let's just go. Let's just go.
I haven't heard anything but a couple of scratches.
No, I heard some noise, man. My flashlight keep flickering.
Watch this hole or whatever this is. There's holes. What's that?